What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake Mr. Goodbar Pie, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, who is Mr. Goodbar? Well, you know, Mr. Goodbar is a candy buddy. It's an old candy that my dad used to love. It's been around for a long time. It's a good little candy, and it's got some nuts, so ain't gonna talk about that just yet. Let's talk about the no-bake pie, because I got to tell you something again, boy. It's another scorcher out there, buddy. Old Hamilton Porter was sweating his butt off, and I don't feel like cooking nothing, but I want a sweet treat. I want something to eat, so I'm gonna make it like this. Let's get into it and haul ass. So, first thing you got to do to make no-bake pie, this variety, we're gonna go ahead and read the back of this box, because right here I got some chocolate pudding. Watch out for old Kaz. He's over there looking. So, go ahead and make these and read the directions, because it's going to tell you one is for the pudding and then one is for the pie. You're going to use a little less mess, if you know what I'm talking about, buddy. So, read these directions. Put in, what does it say here? I can read with me glasses. I can't even say. Let's see. One 3/4 cups. So we're going to pour 1 3/4 cups of milk into a bowl, and then let's add our pie pudding filling, whatever the hell it's called. Put your pudding in there, stir it around, sing to it, sweet, sweet, sweet. You look so nice. So once you're done stirring, it's got that good consistency. Go ahead and pour it straight in your pie shell. Now today, I didn't get the Keebler Elf himself. I got that old store brand graham cracker pie shell, and if I'm not talking about what's on the back of the turtle, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, couldn't you have made your own pie crust? I mean, you had time, didn't you? Which, you know me, buddy, I did not have time. I ain't got time for that shit. So I ain't got no time to make no crust. I had to buy the crust. The crust is here. Let it appear to put our pudding down in there. So put your pudding in that shit, smooth it out, and then we're gonna throw it in the refrigerator. Oh, about 30 minutes or so, just to kind of let it sit up, buddy. And while it's doing that, maybe you can go burn a doober and play some Goodbar. Now, go ahead and get your pie out once it's set up, and we're going to get our whipped topping. We ain't got Cool Whip money. We've got the whipped topping, my buddy. So, put that on top of there, and this is where Mr. Goodbar himself walks in the door and says, hey, buddy, good to see ya. Because we're going to crunch up some little, aren't they cute? Aren't they so little cute? Oh, little, Mr. Goodbar's on top of the pie. Now, that'll be our garnish. It looks wonderful, don't it? So, you let that sit a little longer. I'm not going to let it sit much longer, because I'm ready for a sight and a big old bite of these pies tonight. At least 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The Mr. Goodbar Pie is done, and I'm having the first bite for myself. Just in time, because I can't wait no more. I ain't waiting no more. Lovely. Chocolate pudding and whipped cream. A hell of a combo as always. The graham cracker crust holding it all together. And the star of the show, Mr. Goodbar himself, right on top. So, delicious, lovely, just beautiful, man. So, I want to thank all of you beautiful people for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And also watch all my other cooking videos right here on the YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to finish my piece. We'll get another piece. And if I say my piece, I might have the whole damn thing. So, look out.